I just found the best survey app for Africans, and the best part is you don't need a VPN for this. Now, here's where it gets cool. You can actually make up to $5 from this app daily. Now, the truth is, most survey apps don't work in Africa. They don't accept Africa countries, or even though they accept you, they never send you surveys. But today, I'm going to be showing you one survey app that actually works for Africans, and it is called Sagapoll. I'll show you how it works, how much you can realistically make, and how to withdraw your money. So a friend of mine sent this survey app my way, and after doing a couple of research, I went through their review on Play Store and on Trustpilot, and I can tell you for a fact that it is a very legit platform. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is David Chooks, and I make videos around how to make money online, land a remote job, and use AI. Now, the first thing you want to do is to go to Google Play Store and download the app. The name of the app is Sagapoll. Now, after download the app, you want to register your information. You want to register your date of birth, your name, your gender, and your household income. Yeah. Now, these things should be very like real. Use your real information, because I think sometimes you might be asked to verify your information. Yeah. So use your real information to fill in your profile. Yeah. So after you're done filling up your profile information, you want to start taking surveys. Now, this is how the interface of Sagapoll looks like. Now, this is a 4 minute survey. For 4 minutes of your time, you earn 25 points. This is a 15-minute survey. This is a 25-minute survey. Yeah. So the surveys just pop up here on a daily. Now, there is another way you can earn about 2,000 points is by going to store. Yeah. You visit a store, you take pictures of some groceries and some items, and you get 2,000 points. Another way to earn points is by scanning products. Yeah, just literally taking pictures of products and you earn points too. And sometimes questions do pop down here on this lifestyle section. You answer this question and you get points. Now you need a total of 5,000 points to be able to cash out. Yeah, so if you come here to redeem your points, you realize you need a total of 5,000 points to cash out 7,300 naira. Yeah. So for 5,000 points, you get 7,300 naira. And now here's the crazy part. You can make that 5,000 points in a single day. Yeah. You can make that 5,000 points in a single day by literally just going to two stores. Yeah. You can make 5,000 points. Now, to withdraw from Sagapoll, you can withdraw through two methods. One with Airtime and the other through direct bank transfers. Now, most persons have withdrawn from this platform, and I've never had anybody complain of withdrawal issue. Yeah, during my research, I never had anybody complain of withdrawal issue. So you can either withdraw from Airtime or you can withdraw through direct bank transfer. Although it has been stated that the Airtime withdrawal is the fastest way to withdraw from Sagapool. If you go back to the app and click on this awards icon here, you will see list of levels and batches and streaks. Yeah. Now this is the crazy part. As you continue taking surveys on this platform, your level increases. Yeah. As you keep on taking more surveys and attaining higher points, your level increases, your streak increases, and it gets better. And what happens is, as this thing goes up, they start giving you more surveys. Yeah, so it becomes more realistic for you to get 5,000 to 10,000 points on a daily. So the only thing you should do when you register on this platform is to be consistent, not just being consistent daily, but being consistent weekly. Yeah, just keep on showing up. At least take one survey per day. Keep on showing up on the platform, taking surveys, and over time you start be giving higher chances to bigger paying surveys with higher points. Now, even if Sagapool would not make you rich, it can give you a starting point in your survey journey. Now with that 7,300, you can pay for a VPN or buy a UK number to start taking actual foreign surveys, so you can start earning in dollars. Yeah. So that's all about Sagapool. If you got value from this video, do also like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.